che facciamo di solito, che male c'è?
Tu sei pazzo, ma che facciamo questo?
Qualcuno dovrà pur fare conversazione, qui?
So, where are you from?
We're from Switzerland.
Switzerland. And where are you going?
We're going to Rome. To Rome. Ja, meinst du, ich fahre uns bis zu Matera? Du, Lara? Ich glaube, wir sind berühmt. Die ganze Welt ist hinter uns her. Oh Mann, meine Eltern haben genau das hässlichste Foto genommen. Ist das dein Ernst? Ja, schau mal! Wow.
Rivers run, but they stay in one place. You've been running, but you can't escape yourself. Your soul is show and tell. Rivers flood, but they come back again. You had hope, but it won't.
And when someone posts something in their story, you can look at it and look what she's doing. And you can also post pictures of you or videos, and you can like it.
Janina, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Why are you going to Rome?
And I'm going to Rome because I want to be a professional YouTuber, and in Rome it has that big contest, and when you go to this big contest, you can be a professional YouTuber. And I already have 30,000 followers yet.
Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hey, musst du eigentlich immer ein Selfie machen?
Capitano, c'è solo un capitano, c'è solo.
Die Challenge ist bereits im vollen Gange und wir haben schon 6 tolle Talente ausgesucht. Das heißt, es sind jetzt noch 4 Plätze frei, damit ihr euch einen super exklusiven und coolen Vertrag sichern könnt. Ihr habt also noch bis morgen Abend Zeit, einer der 4 coolen Plätze zu sein. Also beeilt euch unbedingt und ich hoffe, wir sehen uns bis morgen Abend noch im Bogen.
Finita la benzina qua. Tocca fare un cambio. Girls, we gotta stop for a couple of minutes. We're out of gas. It won't take long.
Okay, let's go. Mann, go. Du, sag mal, was hast du an?
Okay. Now we shop. das?
Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're going. Yeah, we didn't even stop anyone. That's not our car.
Dovevamo lasciarla.
No, ma te che cosa vuoi?